Hello, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to use the message box in MQL5. If I go to my meta editor, here is a very simple script. You can see that the message box function takes a script, which is here question, do you want to continue, and confirmation. You can click OK or you can click cancel, and depending on your decision, you will see you clicked OK or you clicked cancel. Let me compile this code and go back to MetaTrader 5 and run my script. You can see this pop-up window. Do you want to continue? OK. You clicked OK, this one here. But if I decide to click, for example, the cancel button, you click cancel, this one here. I'd like to close this pop-up window and close this video for message boxes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.